Let's crochet this super fluffy heart plushie. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is easy and beginner friendly, so stay tuned. These are the items needed and the links are in the description. These are the stitches and the abbreviations that will be used throughout the video. To make a crochet heart, we'll be needing 2 halves. Let's make the first one. We begin by making a magic ring, and then round 1 is 8 single crochet in the magic ring. Do place your stitch markers at the beginning of each round in the first stitch that is made. Round 2 is increase in every stitch. Round 3 and 4 we'll be making single crochet all around. This is how the first half looks once you're done through rounds 1 to 4. Cut the yarn and fasten off. I personally like to secure the yarn tail. This prevents it from opening up. Use a darning needle to secure the yarn tail. I highly recommend keeping the stitch marker, as this will help to easily join the 2 halves later. Once you're done with your first half, make the second one exactly the same as rounds 1 to 4, but do not fasten off or cut the yarn. We are going to use the open end to join both the halves. Now we will join the second half to the first one. To do this, use the open end of the second half and join it to the stitch where you place the stitch marker on the first half. Line up both halves so the tops of the hearts match. Make 4 slip stitches to connect the 2 pieces together. Also, don't place a stitch marker in any of the slip stitches. After joining, we will single crochet all around. We begin with the second half. Make a single crochet and put your stitch marker. In this round, you should have a total of 24 single crochet. In the first half, you will have 12 stitches, and in the second half 12 stitches. Make sure to count so that you don't make any mistake while making the single crochets. In the next round, the pattern is 2 single crochet, decrease, 2 single crochet, which will be done 4 times. Better to use invisible decreases by working into the front loops only. To make an invisible decrease, insert your hook into the front loop only of the next stitch, then into the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Yarn over and pull through to complete the stitch. Continue the pattern. The heart is slowly taking shape. In round 7, we will be making 3 single crochet, decrease. This will be repeated 4 times. Round 8, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, to be repeated 4 times. You may start stuffing your crochet plushie at this point, but I personally do it in the next round. Final round is 6 decrease. Start stuffing as you go. Adjust the stuffing based on how fluffy or soft you want your plushie to be. Remember, too much stuffing can make it hard, so add it gradually. Once you are done, cut the yarn and fasten off, leaving a long tail. Using a darning needle, pass the yarn through the front loops of the remaining stitches and pull tight to close the hole. There is a small gap in the middle. Use the same yarn to stitch it closed neatly. Secure the yarn and hide the tail inside. Don't pull the yarn too vigorously or harshly as it might bring out the stuffing. Always be gentle while weaving in and closing the gaps. And your crochet heart plushie is ready to steal hearts. Perfect for gifting or decoration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.